Day 2 of lesson The Password is Operations. On number 13, they wanted you to begin to complete the graphic organizers located at the end of the lesson to identify arithmetic and geometric sequence. Glue each arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence to a separate graphic organizer according to its type. Discard all other sequences. Activity 2.2, Matching Graphs and Sequences. As you have already discovered when studying functions, graphs can help you see trends of a sequence, and at times can help you predict the next term in the sequence. The graphs representing the arithmetic and geometric sequences from the previous activity are located at the end of this lesson. Cut out these graphs. Match each graph to its appropriate sequence and glue it into the graph section of its graphic organizer. What strategies did you use to match these graphs to the corresponding sequences? How can you use the graphs to verify that all sequences are functions? Remember, we could use the vertical line test to show that the domain does not repeat and that they are all functions. Name that sequence. Write the first 5 terms of each sequence described and identify the sequence as arithmetic or geometric. Write the first 5 terms of each sequence described and identify the sequence as arithmetic or geometric. Number 1, the first term of the sequence is 8 and the common difference is 12. Notice when they say common difference, we're going to know it's arithmetic. That means that we're going to be adding 12 to each number. So if I add 12 to 8, that's going to give me 20. Keep adding 12, gives me 32. Keep adding 12, that's going to give me 44. Keep adding 12, 56. So look for your keywords. Number 2. The first term of the sequence is -9. The common ratio, so now I know it's geometric. That means I'm going to multiply by -2. So -9 times -2 gives me a +18. +18 times -2 is going to give me a -36 for my next term. -36 times -2 is going to give me a +72. 72 times -2 is going to give me a -144. So look for those key words. This one tells me it's geometric. Number 3. The first term of the sequence is 0. The common difference, that means where it's arithmetic. And I am going to add or subtract 6. I'm going to add a -6. So if I add -6 or subtract 6, however you want to think about it, that's going to give me -6. If I keep subtracting 6, that gives me -12. Subtract 6 again, that gives me -18. Subtract 6 again, and I've got -24. Number 4, the first term of the sequence is -3, and the common ratio is -1/4. So if they say common ratio, I'm going to know it's geometric. and I'm going to multiply by negative 1/4, or divide by negative 4, however you want to think about it. So negative 3 times negative 1/4 is going to give me a positive 3/4. 3/4 times negative 1/4 is going to give me a negative 3/16. Multiply that by negative 1/4, and I'll get a positive 3/64. Do it one more time, and I'm going to get negative 3/256. That concludes day 2. Please make sure that your graphs are glued down with your sequences in your graphic organizer.